So you're thinking about moving to Santa Monica? How about one of the hottest neighborhoods west of Lincoln, north of Wilshire, near Montana Avenue, with fine dining and shopping, just few short blocks to the beach, to the ocean. Famous Santa Monica Pier, 3rd Street Promenade with more shopping and dining. It's such a great walkable neighborhood. You can pretty much walk to everything. You can walk to get your groceries, bike to eat, get your haircut, nails done, pretty much everything. You can jump on the bike or get on rollerblades and stroll down the ocean and the boardwalk all the way to Marina del Rey, to Venice Pier. It's such a great neighborhood. So if all that sounds good to you, I have a beautiful property to show you in this wonderful neighborhood. My name is Gabriela with SoCal Real Estate. And if you would like to find out more about living in Southern California, please subscribe below and let's take a look. So I'm going to show you this beautiful condominium unit. It's in a small 10-unit building. The unit is all the way upstairs on the top floor. What is great about this unit that it has only one common wall and one unit below it. So it's on the top floor, nobody above you. And it has a wonderful western exposure. So you got a light, beautiful sunshine pretty much all day long. So it's facing towards the ocean. It just does not have an ocean view. Perhaps if it wasn't one story taller, it would. So it has a nice open floor plan, the living room and kitchen. Hardwood floors, mahogany hardwood floors that have been just refinished. The kitchen has been remodeled a few years ago. It has laundry inside, which is not typical to have in condominium unit here in Santa Monica, especially in older buildings. So this is one of the European units. Washer dryer combo in one. Nice quartz countertops. And we have a nice shaker cabinet, large sink, double door fridge, and the open floor plan is fantastic. It's such a great open space. As you could see, the unit is about 715 square feet. The balcony, small balcony, but you have a nice exposure, like I said, western exposure. See a little bit of view of the palm trees, treetop views. Like I said, I love the vibe of this unit because it's so bright. There's so much light. And then it has nice, large, one bedroom. Can easily fit a king size bed, nightstands, dressers. It's a good size bedroom. Again, very light. So this is actually eastern exposure. So you get the light, the sun, first thing in the morning. It has, the whole wall is closets. So you have a lot of closet space here. You can take a look. Closets. It has the split AC unit, mini split AC unit, and heating in one. So that's fantastic for these hot summer days. We don't have that much hot in here in Santa Monica, but once in a while it gets hot and it's really nice to have that. The bathroom was remodeled quite some time ago, but it's still in great shape. Separate shower or bathtub shower combo and the toilet, and then here you have the vanity outside. So if there are two people living here, you could be using the vanity while somebody's taking a shower and have privacy in the bathroom. So it is a one bedroom, but it's nice, spacious. There's a lot of closets and storage space. You could see here is the linen closet. Here is the second linen closet. It was an addition, so that's very nice, and a lot of light, beautiful space. And I love this openness here. Kitchen and the living room open space is really fantastic. It's great for entertainment, so it's wonderful for a single person. Is really great, even for a couple, because there's a lot of closet space. The unit comes with one car parking, underground subterranean garage parking, which is gated. So it has pretty much everything that somebody can wish for in this wonderful neighborhood. Wonderful starter property for a first-time buyer or even for somebody who's just looking for a smaller space. So we're on 3rd Street Promenade. It's an open-air, pedestrian-only dining and shopping area. There are various shops, boutiques, restaurants, cafes, even theater. It's a really fun place to hang out and shop, especially on the weekends. There are street performers on the weekends, in the evenings, sometimes during the week as well. And you can find all kinds of shops in here, high-end shops, even small little boutique. And it's very close to the new Santa Monica Mall that was built just a few years ago, right there behind me. And you can find way more restaurants there. So right next to the 3rd Street Promenade, we have a Santa Monica Mall. It's a sophisticated 3-level shopping and dining experience here in downtown Santa Monica. It's also very close to Santa Monica Pier, just a couple of blocks. It's close to the beach, of course. And you can find all kinds of shops and restaurants here, high-end boutiques, high-end shops, higher level restaurants. It's definitely a great destination for people, for tourists, and also for locals to come and hang out on the weekends and shop or just dine. It's a great place to be. Here you go. This is a food court right here. We have Nordstrom here. And as you could see, up other restaurants and shops, boutiques. In the wintertime, right here, you can find a huge Christmas tree, and there are a lot of activities happening right here. So, and that is only a few blocks away from the unit I showed you earlier. You could also find True Food Kitchen, my favorite restaurant, right here in Santa Monica Mall. They have also outside outdoor seating. Tasty. You should check it out. And just a short walk from the 3rd Street Promenade and Santa Monica Mall, you can find the iconic Santa Monica Pier. Let's check it out. So here's the Santa Monica Pier. Close up. And the stunning Santa Monica Beach. And here's the famous Santa Monica Pier. Santa Monica Pier is famous as a symbolic western terminus of Route 66, making it the end of iconic road. You can find mix of entertainment, dining, shopping here with street performers, also a Ferris wheel. So there's an amusement park with Ferris wheel. A lot of tourists come here. When they come to Santa Monica, they have to visit Santa Monica Pier. And the great thing is that you're just short walking distance from the unit that I showed you earlier. Even in the middle of the week, in the middle of the day, you can see the pier is already busy. So it must be a great place to hang out. Santa Monica Pier is not only famous tourist destination, but also favorite locals hangout place. And I'm sure you could see why. And this is a beautiful northern exposure. You can see all the way to Malibu. Beautiful Santa Monica Beach. This is a favorite beach to hang out for people who come from outside of Santa Monica. It gets really crowded in the summer. It's springtime, but it's still busy. So this is the south side of the Santa Monica Pier. Here you could see actually the original Muscle Beach in Santa Monica. That is also iconic and known. Obviously the beautiful Santa Monica Beach right here. And of course the amusement park with the Ferris wheel in the background. So there are some stunning views, ocean and the beach views from the pier. I also wanted to mention that they are having summer concerts on the pier, and it's actually a lot of people hang out right here on the south side of the pier. They bring blankets and they have picnic while listening to the music. It's a fantastic way to spend summer evening. I believe they're on Thursday nights. So this beautiful area here is called Palisades Park. It's a great spot to just hang out. A lot of people come in here, walk their dogs, jog, or pretty much just hang out on the grassy area. It is just a few short blocks from the unit. technically 6.5 blocks. So it's a short stroll to come all the way down here, and it's a beautiful spot to come for sunset. So one of the least expensive units currently available in this neighborhood is listed in this building. The building is at the corner of 7th Street and Idaho. It's 1 block to Montana Avenue with great shops and restaurants, and it's about 6.5 blocks to the beach, which is that way. The unit is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, about 630 square feet. And it's listed for $619, and that's probably as cheap as it can get in this neighborhood. Fantastic location, beautiful streets, walkable, walk into the beach to Palisades Park, 3rd Street Promenade, the Pier, Santa Monica Mall. Great location. Another unit currently available in this fantastic location is in this building. This cute, charming 8-unit building. It is a 2-bedroom, 2 bathrooms, a little over 900 square feet. It comes with 1-car parking, and it's a downstairs front-facing unit. It has patio, front-facing balcony. It's beautifully remodeled and is listed for $1,049,000. Again, great location, about half a block to Montana shopping and dining, about 7 blocks to the beach, Palisades Park, very close to 3rd Street Promenade and Santa Monica Mall. And here we have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit available, about 1,140 square feet. Comes with 2-car parking and is listed for $1,195,000. It's a small 11-unit building, well maintained. The building has a little workout room, rooftop deck with barbecue and beautiful views of the mountains, Santa Monica Mountains. As you could see, the building is nicely maintained with nice landscaping. Of course, fantastic location. It's about half a block to Montana Avenue with shopping and dining, 8 blocks to Palisades Park and the beach. Very close to 3rd Street Promenade, Santa Monica Mall, and Santa Monica Pier. And here in this contemporary looking 14-unit building, we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit available, around 970 square feet, listed for $1,049,000. It's a front-facing corner unit, beautifully remodeled, and it's only a couple of blocks to the beach. So this is 2nd Street. 2nd Street at Idaho, 2 blocks to the ocean, Palisades Park, Montana Avenue, very close again to the 3rd Street Promenade, the Pier, Santa Monica Mall, you name it. Prime Santa Monica location, beautiful. In this 12-unit building, we have a large townhome style unit available. It's 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, over 1,600 square feet. It is a 2-story unit with large patio, 2-car parking, and is listed for $1.54. It's on 5th Street, so it's very close to the ocean, only 5 blocks to the beach, 5 blocks to Palisades Park, very close to 3rd Street Promenade, Santa Monica Mall, Santa Monica Pier, and of course Montana shopping and dining. Great location. And this is one of the luxurious buildings here in this neighborhood, the Dorchester House. There are 42 units in this building. The building was built in the 90s, and they have amenities like indoor pool, exercise room, conference room, controlled access. There are 2 penthouses in this building, and one of them is currently on the market. They don't come up on the market very often. It's a stunning unit with high ceilings, over 2,200 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, multiple outdoor spaces. One of them is front-facing balcony. There are French doors opening into the balcony. Then there's rooftop deck. The unit has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a loft. Beautifully, beautifully remodeled. It's a stunning space. And it's currently listed at 3.195. As you could see, the building is really nicely manicured, landscaping, and the location is fantastic. You're literally a couple of blocks from 3rd Street Promenade, 4 blocks from the beach and Palisades Park. Very close again to the Pier, Santa Monica Mall. Beautiful building, beautiful location.